What's going on, Game Time Guru Nation? Another day, another wager. This is Tony with you today. Tonight it's Thursday night football, and we're just in a live session. We got a bunch of dogs in the fight tonight, guys. Let's just go see our transactions. My account started at like 463 before I started wagering tonight, so I released a lot of money, and we got a couple of unders in this KC game tonight. Denver under 52. That was the last one I got. Under 60.5. I like that one. Over 39.5. I got an over because I feel like they're going to be good for that one. Under 57. We got an under in the Astros game. It's looking really good. Under 10.5. Under 10. We got that one. Then we put a little teaser sandwich together. One has the Broncos with 10 plus 5, and then the other has KC with plus 3.5. And the anchor on that one is the under. So we'll tell you and teach you how to set these up where you got an anchor and you got, you can middle this. So I'm trying to middle this where if it's a fight, I'm gonna get both of them. So long as Denver doesn't lose by 10.5, and they go under 55.5, I'll get both of these together. So that's those two, and then we still got our little round robin, which we'll talk to you more about that. We're not gonna go into detail with that tonight, but those are just a few tricks of the trade that we use to win. But yeah, got a lot of dogs in the fight. They all look good tonight, so looks like we got the books. Got them by the balls right now, guys. So we're just going to hold our stakes. See this money go up. I'm going to come back with an update. I'll let you know if I get anything else tonight. But this is how it will be. When you join us, man, we would have a GoToMeeting chat room. And you would come in and see me and my buddy on stuff like this. We had already talked about this game tonight and how we like the U. And so it's looking good, guys. So we'll see in a minute. God bless you. Once again, another day, another wager. This is the Game Time Gurus. Be back, guys. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention Pat Mahomes is down, not sinking my teeth into it, but it's just some of those type of things that when these type of things happen and live leverage, when these numbers are flipping like this, and let me just show you how this action is looking. When these numbers are flipping like this, you can find all kind of equity in a thought like, hey man, Pat Mahomes is not in the game anymore. So I really want to. They driving this under down. I really want to grab it again, cause it's this quarterback. He doesn't know the system like Pat Mahomes. So I love to drive it down. So I don't know. Let's see. We might just hold our stakes, or I might just go on and grab this little 49.5. I might just hold my stakes, man. We got plenty of action tomorrow, Sunday. So I'm going to just hold my stakes. I got like 8, 9 wagers out here right now. So let's just see what happens, guys. But I just want to let y'all know that it's things like that, what we call platinum leverage, man, where you can really just kind of handicap and make you some money, man. And I really want to grab this 49.5, man, because this game finna dramatically go down. But you know what? I'm going to just hold tight. I want to grab it, but discipline, not getting greedy. It's all good. I don't want to drop anything, so we'll just hold out. It's happened before where I've done it and got hit. So we'll just wait and see what happens. We're going to hold all our cards, see how we look at the end. We'll be back. God bless. Oh, yeah, I got to say this, man. Don't you love the game? This is real, man. We making money off of sports, man. I mean, I'm sitting here tripping on this, man. We got great money in the bag tonight. I'm finna coach this money in. But this is awesome, man. You can watch a great game and then capitalize on it as well. I mean, it's a great thing, man. So these defenses are playing. It's 20-6 right now, third quarter. So we're at 26. I got some high caps. Hopefully we get them, man. But they looking really, really good, man. But, man, this is beautiful. God bless, man. Once again, guys, we're back. It's an aftermath, so we we were able to move up tonight. We moved up good. Late night basketball helped us. Let's see. Just want to show you these real quick. These last few, we moved up and there you go right there. Under the 57, we got that one tonight with the college game. We won the, let's see. Let's not move up.
You think I want you? Are you out your ragged ass mind? New Hampshire. Okay, so I tip you off about the damn figs and to save your.
Let me cut this down, guys. I'm sorry. This is just something that's on. Anyway. So yeah, don't pay attention to this teaser. This. Oh yeah, that teaser was. Yeah, we lost that one. The parlay is what I'm talking about. We're doing a round robin. Me and my buddy, we put one together. So I got one loss on there, but this round robin, we can lose one, lose a few, and still win our money. So that's kind of messing my card up. So I got to go past all of this. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the wagering activity for the day, and we're going to close this video out. So let's see. So we kind of split a little bit tonight, guys. So right here, starting here, we put this teaser together for KC to win 3 point. It had plus 3.5, plus the 55.5. So of course the game went under, way under. It went to 36. Then we did the Denver. What we were trying to do is do a quick sandwich. However, Denver couldn't fight, so that dog didn't fight, so we actually lost that one. Then we placed a 10 with the Astros and a 10.5. Very surprisingly, we lost those two too. So sometimes we do lose, and but my bankroll still went up because I caught me some late night baseball. But we put a lot of good moves out in the football game. So let's see. So after that 10.5, we did under 57. That one hit. We did over 39. I tried that one. That one didn't hit. I said it when I put it out. That's probably going to be the only one in this game that I didn't hit because I knew that game was going to go under horribly because of the defense. 60.5 under 52.5, under 52.5, under 60.5. We got all of those. So look, there we go. So that goes to win 52.5. That was a dub. That was a dub. We won the teaser side of that one. We was trying to sandwich it, but we couldn't. Let me pause this because I want to see the end of that part. Okay. So anyway, so we won the teaser, right? Let's keep on going. So we still this is when you see the round robin. So we're gonna zoom past this because we still doing that round robin. It's a great value. Put $28 on it, and we're still looking good on it. And my buddy, he's right now undefeated because we flipped some moves, kind of mirrored some moves, so we could give ourselves a great chance to hit it. All right, I'm just going past that. Don't pay attention to that because that's not a straight ticket. That's a multiple round robin. So that's why it's doing that. So, all right. So now, let's see. Let's get past this. All right. So of course we say we lost the teaser. We lost the over 39.5. We already had said that. And then let's see. So, but here comes the basketball. We put the under on them. 201.5. We got that one under 57. Let's refresh the screen because I had some more transactions that's not showing up. I don't know why. Let's say last 24 hours. We're going to say last 3 days. Then. So there you go. Now, that's old. That's some old basketball. Anyway, we had got some more. That's them right there. So that's exactly the ones we got. So tonight, at the very end, this is why we got up here. We started out with like 4 something before we started this video, but we went in. Remember we lost those unders right there with the Astros, just by a point, I believe, just by 1 point, but we lost. However, but then we grabbed a basketball right here, so we won the under 201.5, won the under 102.5, and then the under 87. I handicapped all 3 of those team totals, and man, great value. Every 4 they brought back 33. So right back here, this is when Friday morning. So looking forward to this next outpour. Got some college going on. So, hey, man, Game Time Gurus, once again, the aftermath. Just kind of going over the numbers with you. When you guys are ready, man, take action. And let's show you how to get this, get your bankroll up so you can make a payout. We already got videos where we've done payouts. So, God bless you guys, man. Sign up and be a member, guys.